What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Vrbo.com and I'm gonna be showing you how to contact Vrbo Support, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, Vrbo has a nice support basically. The first, on their official website, we are having help button. When you press it, this this window will appear. So here we are having find help by category. So basically we are having privacy, taxes, software integrations, and so on and so forth. So basically this is some general types of helps. Also, when you press on this help over here, we are having travelers help, owners help, property management help, and trust and safety. Over here we are having inbox. You're gonna have messages over here. From there on, what you also have, you are having a contact us option. When you press on it, you can contact them as a traveler, as a owner, and as a property manager. Also, if you don't like to use any of these options, and if you're a citizen of United States of America, basically you can call them on their phone. Basically, Vrbo phone number is, I'm gonna tell you right now. Vrbo number for US is 1-877-202-4291. So also you can communicate them with help Vrbo as I shown you, or if you're in US with this number. So guys, overall those are the ways on how you can contact Vrbo Support. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.